My name is Lauren Rettler, and I like St. Francis Cabrini because of the student-teacher relationships. I think it's very important that we do have the student-teacher relationships because it really improves the learning community here at Cabrini. When you leave Cabrini, you don't necessarily remember the teachers by the subjects they teach, but more as their personalities and who they really are.
Hi, my name is Grant Walter. I like Cabrini because we have this virtue of the month, and this week it's respectfulness. So each month we can focus on something new and exciting to do with, you can be nicer to the teachers, more orderly, things like that. It helps us when we're later in life when we need to be respectful to our teammates, like if we're in a job that needs it, if we're on a softball team maybe when you're older, just anything that's working with people.
Parents should send their kids to St. Francis Cabrini because we have a great faith education that will bring us closer to God later in life when we need to make choices.
Why do parents choose St. Francis Cabrini? I think they choose us because we have the opportunity to work with them from K-3 all the way through 8th grade. We get to know their kids really well. Our older kids know our younger grade teachers. They see them every day. They're not moving from school to school. I think another thing is the respect, the morals, the values that we're trying to implement here at St. Francis Cabrini. One thing that we're really working on right now, we're implementing a virtues program that really reinforces what God wants us to be acting and doing throughout our lives. So we're really trying to hammer that home while they're young, so that when they become older, it's just second nature to them. That they, are respectful to adults. They're respectful to, God's creation. They're practicing docility and learning throughout their entire life, and most importantly, they're practicing prayerfulness through their entire life, which is our ultimate goal, that they have a personal relationship with God. We offer ways to accelerate learning, but we also offer ways to help kids that are a little bit lower in learning to catch up to where they should be. So we're trying to hit all the learners that we have here and individualize their instruction. We try to provide small classes, especially with our kindergarten classes, K3, K4, K5. We split those. First grade we split. So we have classes right around 13, 14 oftentimes, and with them being so little, it's hard to manage when there's 27 kids in a room and they're 5. So we do try to split them as much as possible. As they get older, it becomes a little bit more easy to manage 20, 25 kids in a room, but we do try to get that foundation early on.
Come join us at St. Francis Cabrini School.
Come join us at St. Francis Cabrini School.
Come join us at St. Francis Cabrini School.